Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can earn money on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, Shopify is an online website builder used for building stores and managing your stores. So by default, when you launch your store, you're going to get people who are going to be buying your products, and that is the first way that you're going to be using to actually earn money on Shopify. However, there are a couple of different things. You can also go over into Google AdSense and go into your online store and embed any ads on your site. This is also a nice way to just earn income when somebody is a visitor, and when they don't purchase anything, you can just go ahead and go into your online store, click customize, and add a custom segment where you're going to copy your HTML code from your Google AdSense ads. Just go ahead, click add new section, or just go into the custom liquid. And as you can see, I already have liquid code, which is basically just HTML, which I've added to show ads. Now you can do that, or you can do a couple of different other things. You can go ahead and become a Shopify affiliate. Affiliates are basically people who get a referral link. They give you a link when you join the program, and then you can give that link to other people. And for each new user that Shopify gets, you'll get a commission based off of that. Now, other than that, you can also become a partner. Partners are pretty much, let's say, people who kind of professionally make websites or other things on Shopify to give them to clients in the future. You can click on become a partner, or you can log in. I'm not sure why I didn't just log in, but let's just go and join via my email anyway. You can, of course, log in through Google. As you can see here, you can just select what you're going to be doing. And let's just add a random business name, random address, city, also random, agreed to everything, postal code, I'll add a random string of numbers, then create the account. And once you join, you'll get to your dashboard where you can, of course, get referrals as well, but you can also make stores, develop stores, which you will then give on to your clients so that they don't have to make it themselves, and you'll earn money from them. You also have apps which you can develop for Shopify, which if they are paid for or if they have a subscription-based model, they will give you the money to subscribe to your app. You can also make themes, and you can also make paid themes, as you can see in the tab below. You can just create themes as you would, or that you would use on Shopify for your stores. And of course, there are paid themes which people can pay for and then be able to use them on Shopify as well. And you'll get money from that as well. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of it on how you can earn money on Shopify. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.